Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Magic Moon cartridge tip grips. So let's take a closer look. The Magic Moon tip grips make working with cartridge grips more comfortable and gives tattoo artists more control over their cartridge. The tip grips simply slide over your tattoo cartridge in order to extend the grip. This provides a smoother transition from grip to cartridge, allowing you to hold your machine much closer to the cartridge for more control over your needles. They also feature an ergonomic design, making them comfortable to use during longer tattooing sessions. Magic Moon's tip grips are disposable and have an opening to show the needle sizes that is printed on most cartridges. The tip grips are compatible with both Magic Moon's range of needle cartridges, as well as our own Killer Ink Stellar cartridges. Designed in Germany, these single-use Magic Moon tip grips come in boxes of 50 units and are available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the tip grips? Will you be adding them to your Magic Moon or Killer Ink Stellar cartridges? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.